Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're talking about YouTube hashtags. What are they for, and what should you be doing with them? And the simple answer is that YouTube hashtags are these little things that appear above the title for videos that utilize them that allow people to find similar content quicker that might be related to those different categories. Then when you click them, like if I click on roguelike, it'll go over here and it will show a little, list of all of the other videos that are using roguelike as their hashtag. So this is just another great way, well, usable way for people to find your content and promote yourself at the same time. So the way that this works is you can have 3 in your title. So the first 3 hashtags in your video description are the ones that are going to be popped up above your title. So pick them wisely. And then you can have a total of 15. So I just put the rest of my hashtags down here at the bottom of the video. So really all they do is they serve as yet another methodology of sharing tags for your video, like how you do at the bottom of every last one of your regular videos already to help them get discovered. And so right here with my Subnautica video that I'm getting ready to schedule for publication, I'm putting it's the game Subnautica, it's an exploration game, and it's about ocean exploration, which I think might make for some really fun hashtags to share and compare this with. And then I can put some other ones down here. It's like alien planet. Maybe we'll put in here like submarine exploration, because in this particular episode I made a giant Cyclops submarine that I'm going to zip around in as my portable base. Then we can say alien fish, maybe. Say adventure game. This is kind of a survival game. And so on and so forth until you have your total of 15 tags. I always recommend using the maximum number of tags in every category, so you maximize your chances of getting seen by eyeballs on YouTube. And then it also kind of looks fancy when they appear here above your video. Sort of like you've got this nice little blue, like, official tag that says, like, this video is officially, I don't know, awesome or something. So that's how this works. It's pretty quick and easy to set up. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about how this works, I'd be more than happy to explain in the comment section below. So until next time, bye everybody and have a good one.